G'day, welcome to the Zinsser Bunch. My name is Bert from Excellent Coatings, and if you have grease on your timber, then no problems at all. We'll show you how to fix it with Zinsser Smart Prime. Let's get stuck into it. Here we have some grease buildup on varnished timber. You can identify this by the shininess and the slickness that occurs compared to the rest of the frame. This can happen sometimes from animals or even just human oils coming from the skin. Excessive use can also cause it. Now luckily these windows are being converted from varnish to paint, so it's the perfect time to use Zinsser Smart Prime, as it will not only block the grease, but it will also block any tannins coming through from the varnish and will help with the top coats. And what makes this Smart Prime great is that it's a water-based product, which means it's got a very low odor. It will still stick to most surfaces and cover almost all stains. It's also got a pretty quick dry time of about 2 hours, so we can get onto the top coats pretty quick. First of all, make sure to read all safety labels and follow the PBE instructions on the back of the tin and keep yourself safe. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to always sand the surface before you paint it. Nice, even big strokes, and then dust off any excess dust. Now, make sure you apply a nice thick coat onto the affected area, getting a nice, smooth, even distribution. Pro tip, when you're done with one whole side, make sure your last stroke is one long lay off. That way you're going to minimize your brush strokes and get a nice even finish. Here we are at the final product. Window looks great. There's no greasy areas, no shiny marks. The Smart Prime has done exactly what it's meant to do. If you do have any timber with grease on it, don't just chuck regular paint on there. It's not going to cover it up. You need to prep it properly with Zinsser Smart Prime, and then you'll have an outstanding looking window. With Zinsser, it's no problems.